Since George's daughter Brenda was born, he has videotaped important moments in her life. He has videotapes of Brenda's first walk, talk, day at school, and more. Brenda was about to graduate from college. George was definitely recording her graduation. He was even throwing her a surprise graduation party where he planned on showing the videotapes. After Brenda's graduation, George and his wife told her they had to go back home because they forgot cash. When Brenda opened the door, the guests shouted, "Surprise!" Brenda was so shocked. She was not expecting this. There were decorations everywhere and pictures of her posted on the wall. Her parents also got Brenda her favorite food, spaghetti. They got her favorite type of cake, too. George started playing the tapes. The first one he played was the one of her crawling to the kitchen. The last one George wanted to play was the one of Brenda opening her acceptance letter to Harvard. George had trouble finding the tape. He organized it in chronological order, but couldn't find it. George apologized to Brenda. "It's okay, Dad. As long as I remember it, it's okay," she said.